Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get more customers for your travel business. If you run a travel consultancy agency, if you sell digital products to solo travelers or anything like that, I'm going to show you how you can get more of those types of customers and clients into your business using Facebook ads. So I'm going to show you the different audiences that you should be targeting to help you get some more results. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. So, guys, if you are a travel agent or travel consultant, or if you create products that are targeted towards travelers, solo travelers, and you're trying to run ads to get more customers, get more clients for your business, this is really going to help you because a lot of people, when it comes to trying to target people that's going to buy their travel packages, that buy their travel consultancy packages, buy their travel itineraries, a lot of people always go for the obvious travel or anything around that broad targeting group, right? But again, we have to remember that Facebook ads is a bidding platform. So when it comes to targeting interests that are travel related, especially if your customer is a traveler or a solo traveler or anything like that, you have to be very targeted with the type of interest that you put into your Facebook ads so you can get more results. So I'm going to basically show you the different targeting options that I think you should actually include in your ad campaigns to help you get more clients, get more leads, and get more sales for your travel agency, for your travel related, or for your travel related products. So, as you can see here, we are in the trusted Facebook Ads Manager. All you got to do again is click create right here. And then you want to click sales, right? So for those of you who are selling digital products on traveling tips or travel itineraries or anything like that, you want to select sales. If you have a travel agency or travel consultancy, you want to select leads, either leads or sales, depending on what your objective is. But just for the sake of this video, we're going to select sales, just as an example. Then once you've chosen that, you want to select continue. And then you want to select manual sales campaign and then continue. Then what you want to do, you want to select this option right here, and then you can put in the budget that you want to put in. So this is you can put in a budget that's pretty much just comfortable for you, right? And then once you've done that, you want to select next. Now, for those of you who are trying to basically sell on your website or anything like that, you want to select website. If you're trying to get leads, you want to select website as well, or you can also select the instant form option as well. Now, but most of the time, whether I'm getting sales or leads, I always go for website. I always go for website, guys. Yeah. So once you've done that, you want to select the performance goal, which would be maximum number of conversions, because you want people to convert. You want them to either buy or give them their information or something for you to contact them or something like that. You need them to convert. Then once you've done that, you select your pixel and then you can select the conversion event. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the targeting part, as that is the most important part, especially if you're trying to target people who are travelers or who are interested in traveling. Then scroll down. Then when you get here, you want to click on switch to original audience options right here. And then you want to select use original audience. Then once you've done that, you want to go down and then you want to select your target location and the age, right? So guys, again, I've said this so many times on a lot of my videos. When you are targeting and you are selling a product that is expensive, you want to go a little bit older, right? So if you are selling any travel agency or travel itinerary packages that cost upwards of $50 or more, or £50 or more, you want to target probably from 24 or 25 upwards, because the higher up in age, the more buying power there is. If you just target from 18 upwards, yeah, you're gonna get the clicks and the engagement, but you ain't gonna get the sales like that, because there's not a lot of 18-year-olds that will be able to afford expensive products, especially after seeing an ad, right? So you want to stack the favors, you want to stack the odds in your favor, right? In order to get those sales and leads and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna put this to 24. So here with the gender, you can choose the gender that is specific to your audience. So I know a lot of you have travel agencies where you only target women. So you organize women group holidays or women group vacations. Or some of you only target men where you're trying to do only men's group vacations. Whichever your audience is, you want to, especially if it's gender specific, you can choose a gender. If it's not gender specific, then you can keep this open to all genders. Now, the most important part is the targeting. Now, a lot of people, when they get here, they're going to go to behaviors. And I have a previous video where you can target this targeting option and it works just as well. But again, like I mentioned, Facebook is a bidding platform. So you want to think outside of the box when it comes to targeting, because your competitors who are spending more are going to be targeting the same people that you're targeting. So it's always, you got to be very wise and very open to the type of interests that you are going to target. So a lot of people will go here, and I've taught this in my video, and this audience works. You can go there and then you can select frequent travelers, international travelers, frequent international travelers, return from traveling 1 week ago, return from traveling 2 weeks ago. And I have a video that basically shows you this, but I'm going to show you again. So this is some of the audiences you can actually target, right? Now, so you have targeted these options here, and there's a great category of audiences to target. And this should help you get some results coming in, sales leads for your travel business. Now, another one that you want to target is this. You want to target airlines. So you want to put in here, you don't want to target the employers, you want to target the interest right here. And then what you want to do, you want to click suggestions and you want to target other airlines. I would target popular airlines, global popular airlines. So you've got Air France, you've got Emirates, you've got KLM, you've got Etihad, right? So you can target airlines, right? So this is another targeting option. Another targeting option that you can also target when it comes to attracting more clients and customers to your travel business, you can also target card companies, credit card companies, because a lot of credit card companies provide points where people can accumulate those points to get free flights, to get benefits, travel benefits, using the airport lounge and all that good stuff. So guys, a lot of your competitors aren't thinking of this, right? So you can target American Express, and then you click suggestions and you can target MasterCard, you can target Visa, you could target Maestro, you could target credit cards, especially credit cards that offer points, right? Now, because a lot of your travel audiences will be inside of these. Another audience that you could target is airports. So you could target specific airports. You can target international airports. So, for example, you could target Heathrow. Heathrow is a huge airport. in London. So you could target Heathrow, you could target JFK, you could target Gatwick, you could target so many other airports. So make sure that you have a list of huge international airports, and then you can put them in here and target those airports. Another option that you can use to target to get more customers into your travel business is you can target first class. So you can target by the classes of seats. So first class. Okay, so here's some of these that you can target. You can actually target by the class: business class, first class, private first class. You could target these options right here. So another audience that you can target by magazines. So you could target Vogue magazine, and you could target Glamour, you could target GQ magazine. The reason why you may want to target magazines is because sometimes inside of these magazines, they have travel sections. So again, your travel audiences will also be inside of here. A lot of your competitors won't even be thinking about these interests. They won't even be thinking about them. They'll be targeting broad interests like travel. They'll be targeting just the obvious sort of stuff, right? But it gets very competitive. That's why you want to dig deep in terms of the type of interest that you target so you can get those quick wins. You can get those leads for cheap. You can get those sales for cheap because your competitors aren't really thinking about those interests, right? So guys, this is how you target interest for your travel business. You want to make sure that you're thinking outside of the box. For those of you who need more help, who need more of that one-to-one guidance with your Facebook ads, with your Instagram ads, I'm on Fiverr. You can click the link in the description and you can book a one-to-one call with me and we'll go through your campaigns. If you're stuck on anything, I'll be more than happy to help you get some more results with your ads. But as usual, I'll be back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you in your business. Take care.